Welcome, Sauce and Gravy community, to another delicious dessert sauce. And for all those first-time watchers, this is Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel, and I'm going to quickly show you how to make a hazelnut chocolate sauce. So let's begin with the prep work, shall we? Take out that cutting board and grab your trusty blade. It's time for some choppy. Cut up 1 bar, that's about 4 ounces or 114 grams more or less, of bittersweet chocolate, 60% cacao. You can then drop it into a mixing bowl and put it to the side. Round up your other ingredients, which there's not too many, and pour 3/4 of a cup or 187 milliliters into a sauce pot. Next, you'll drop in 3 tablespoons or 41 grams of dark brown sugar. Grab that salt, throw in 1/4 teaspoon, that's about a pinch. So here you go with the last ingredient. See, this is really not that difficult. 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of a hazelnut liquor. At this point, you can turn the burner to medium-low. We're not gonna bring this to a boil, so don't boil it, don't bring it to a simmer. We're just warming up these ingredients. Take your handy-dandy spoon or a spatula, give it a stir, mix everything together. And while you're giving it a stir, right now would be a perfect time to smash that subscribe button if you're not a member of the Sauce and Gravy community just quite yet. And remember, you don't need to bring this to a boil. Once you start to see a heavy amount of steam coming out, you know you're good to go and ready to pour it into the bowl with those chunks of chocolate. Let it sit for a second or two to warm up those chocolate chunks, and then you can whisk away. After a minute or so, you'll start to notice that everything is well incorporated, forming a chocolate syrup type consistency. Yes, it'll be thin at first because it's warm, but as it sits and cools off, it'll become thicker and thicker. And then you can drizzle it on ice cream, dip some fruit into it, put it onto a cake, knock yourself out. So that's how you make a hazelnut chocolate sauce. Thank you, Sauce and Gravy community, for watching this dessert sauce recipe. If you found this recipe helpful, smash that like button. And remember to keep whisking, y'all.